In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export a conversation from Claude AI. Whether you want to save your chat for later, share it with someone, or keep a record of your work, exporting your conversation only takes a few steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Sign in to your account. First, make sure you're signed in to your Claude AI account. I'm currently signed in to demonstrate the process. Step 2. Access settings. Click on your profile icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Step 3. Navigate to Privacy Settings. In the Settings menu, locate and click on Privacy in the left sidebar. Step 4. Find the Export Data option. Under the Privacy section, you'll see an option labeled Export Data. Click on it. Step 5. Understand the export process. When you export your data, a downloadable link will be sent to your email address. You'll need to check your email to complete the download. Step 6. Select your export preferences. You have several options to customize your export. Time range. Choose the time period for conversations you want to export. Options include all time, last 30 days, last 90 days, custom date range. The export will include all users, all conversations, and all projects associated with your account. Step 7. Start the export. Once you've selected your preferences, click the Export button. You'll see a confirmation that the export has started. Step 8. Check your email. Now go to the email inbox associated with your Claude AI account. You should receive an email from Anthropic, the company behind Claude, with the subject line, "Your data is ready for download." Step 9. Download your data. Open the email and click the Download Data button. This will download a zip file containing your conversation history to your computer. Step 10. Access your exported conversations. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded zip file on your computer. Right-click on the file and select Extract All to unzip it. Inside the extracted folder, you'll find your conversations stored in JSON files. Step 11. View your conversations. JSON files are structured data formats useful for development or analysis. If you want to view the conversations in a readable format, right-click on the JSON file. Select Open With and choose an appropriate application such as Notepad, a code editor, or any text reader. And that's it. That's how you can export your Claude AI conversation. It's a simple process, but super helpful if you're working on long projects, saving research, or keeping track of your ideas. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.